angel inheritance, sign my name. Oh, I know I can change. Oh, I know I can change. Oh, I know I can change. Angel inheritance, sign my name.
Ooh, Lord. Y'all, when the crabs ain't ready yet?
Anyway, fill up with the water. Them things gonna boil a long time.
The fire ain't been down high, ain't it?
It done turned me.
It is my privilege, surpassing all honor, to pay homage to a people for whom have paid the foundation of my way in blood, sweat, and tears. So, I'll tell you a story if you trip along with me of how this Gullah Geechee flag and its birth came to be. A long time ago in our great motherland lived the Gullah Geechee people, civilization's master plan. Now my people's intelligence, so tenacious, a soothing cool, but over blue waters another man set out to rule. So he sailed in empty ships until he shored the motherland. Then he started his quest and saved the black man. The Gullah Geechee first shocked by the pale white skin. Then he saw the blue eyes and felt the danger within. My people was caught. This be their fate, to float to a new land in a box or a crate. Blue with the skies and the waters around. The sea seemed so tranquil and sound. The thought of slavery versus his freedom, my Hebrew brothers simply chose to walk down. Deep within the roots of this tree, they found linkage to the tie that binds one with the comfort of home. As we today find our own linkage within our own unique culture, conversing in our own unique Gullah Geechee language. Come here, can't help you with a go. Or an elderly term simply means, boy, I done been here 90 years, you're only 20. So don't tell me how hard life is. I've been ya, you just get ya. So press on, son, press on. The Negro spiritual wade in the water was much more than a coded nightly passage for a slave's escape. It was a week-ending event for a slave to cool his feet and enjoy the rapture. Then enjoy the feast of the crabs he did capture. Oh, the crab. Simply amazing. Out in the midst of a crushing toil, we learned in solitude, we learned that being is worth more than having. We learned that in solitude, life is not a possession to be defended, but a gift to be shared. Y'all smell that? Y'all smell that? Oh, it smells like somebody's cooking some crabs up in here.
So now everybody, this shut the backstage at this shut of the Crab Crack, the Gullah Geechee matriarch diary from the neck. Now look who did back here. Hunter children know him as the Geechee 101 gal, Sister Terry, it a granny this evening. What's going on, gal?
Hi, right there, yes. Still holding on, waiting for this crab crack here. I'm too hungry.
It looks so.
My stomach and my throat.
It look like you got some weakness.
My backyard hurt. I think I gotta go through the change.
Please, you ain't done going through the tent?
No, I ain't that old now.
Oh, you ain't that old? Okay then. So now what make you for being this year?
Well, this is my second time. This is 2 years. 2 years straight I done been in the play. Last year I been Nana. This year I Nana. And hopefully the year after next I still Nana.
Okay.
God spared my life.
I know that the true thing. You ain't want we for have no funeral for Nana or nothing like
I
that.
want them people to pass out and steal the chicken off the thing.
You know it will, innit? Because you know they coming for the repast.
Yeah, and the missionary boy get mad.
Okay. And all that kind of thing.
That's right.
So it's so glad that we got one of the original people here from Choctaw. It's Geechee 101, Sister Terry right here, and Nana. I know y'all say, Quet, God Terry get all in it. Look here, the gal of Nana. You can't be but so young for this your part. I know some of y'all young though and got grandchildren and all, but see, this just how the gal look for the play.
That's right.
Now look yo, who else there backstage? Look who over y'all look like it'll catch up napping all. Who this young?
Gal, Hannah for name Mortine.
Mortine, what going on, gal?
I read you must be trust kicking it ain't so hard.
Okay then, so look yo, what Hannah to do in this your crab crack thing this your time?
Gal, Hannah come from them upon them crab. I can't get all the big female crab from them. Hannah say I can box my teeth out and I just brought my teeth the other day.
Please don't let them box out your teeth.
So I can
so much a thing for
change in hand.
Thank you, ma'am. Please, tell you start for hold on to one that crab claw in it.
And I got namp on them.
Any though.
And I got hurt myself, but I could try not to crack my bread.
Okay,
Them
don't
things
do that.
expenses and Medicaid don't pay but for one set in your lifetime.
Okay then, so we ain't want you for throw off the bill and thing like that, cause they ain't gonna have too much of these crab crack for raise money for you get a next set.
Yeah, but I can put my question now.
Okay, I know that the truth thing. That's the way how you have to do them now.
Yes, ma'am.
So now where you there in Charleston?
Well, I did it. I a little west of the Ashley to cross that bridge there.
Oh, you
But
crossed the water.
I originated in Hollywood.
Oh, for truth.
Yeah, in the Youngs Island section of Hollywood.
Go ahead, gal. Represent them,
I've
gal.
been down there plenty times.
Okay, so you to try for take Hollywood to the bigger Hollywood.
I can try to take them and make them a bigger star.
Go ahead, gal. That's all right.
That's why
all
I'm
right.
fine.
Well, you know, when people down here to try for play one table tap on me yet in this your part.
Yes, sir.
Who this your?
Reb, how you doing?
All right, Reb.
How Hannah do?
I'm to do so well, Reb. But what Hannah to do in this your thing? This your
Well,
time?
you know, I preaching the word, praying for
Go
these
ahead,
people.
praise
Hopefully
the
get the
Lord.
family together.
Yes, sir.
And you know, hopefully get with Miss Nana.
Oh goodness, the Reb to try for study, but oh my,
I
what
you
kind
want
of
to be
thing
Reb.
this show?
Yes, sir.
Great, this. So you're a single Rebel. I hope so. I hope you
I'm
ain't got no
single.
wife and you.
Oh,
okay, you're a study
I'm
about
trying
now.
to find me a wife.
Oh, okay, then I
see
get
Miss
it.
Nana, she was gotten like that.
I see that you look a little young for Nana though.
Oh no. I
You
look
ain't-
old, I look
you-
old now.
you old.
I look young.
Or you just look young.
Yeah.
Because God bless you so, innit?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all right then. That's all
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Yes,
So then, where you there from for truth in this your Gullah Geechee Nation?
I'm from the Cackalack,
Oh,
North
yeah.
Charleston.
North Charleston.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, naughty by North Charleston.
Right
Oh,
off
that
of
what
Montague.
wrong with them?
Off of Montague.
Okay, so he come from the naughty, that why the naughty rep on the try for pick up the granny. Okay, me understand.
Trying to get a check.
And a try for kitty.
I got my own money. I can give her some money.
Well, we might
Okay.
have to crack our teeth there a little bit.
See that now granny changed his mind after yet about that check. So honey children, y'all go and let Yeti all these your children y'all to crack your teeth on the step.
Yeah, we
And
do,
then
we
y'all
do.
gonna know how they do them y'all in the chuck.
Yes, sir.
Right y'all from Gullah Geechee TV, this y'all the backstage, and this
sir.
y'all diary from the neck.
sir.
Gullah Geechee matriarch, this y'all the crab. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
Some good ones and some spirit.
We see it in the spirit.